Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about how to find professor for acceptance letter, how to find professor for Chinese government scholarship for acceptance letter. So type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here's the detail about all CSC scholarships information. So you can get every information here on cscguideofficial.com. Okay, in this video I'll tell you three methods to find professors. So first you have to check CSC updated universities 373 universities. Click here to check the universities list. So and the next one is that you can click on list on CSC universities with faculty link. Click here. Okay, after that, and the second one is Chinese professors email. So first we look here, and after that we go to this section. The first one here is, you can see the professor's emails link 1 to 100 and 100 1 to 200 and 200 1 to 2 through 273. So first we click on 1 to 100. Okay, so I'll tell you this is the first method. Okay, after clicking on that you can see here's the links of all these universities professor department email. Okay, now I click on that Chang'an University. So first of all we have to click on this option. So after clicking on that you can see here is the detail, little bit time. So here is the detail of department of that universities, so which you want to find it. Okay, you can see here is the school list. When you click the link here you can go to the direct school or department of that university. This one is the Chang'an University. So I want to click on School of Civil Engineering, because I want to find the professors of School of Civil Engineering. So I click on that. So a little bit speed it little bit slow, so you have to bear this thing. So after clicking on that you can see here is the you have to find 3 or 4 options: faculty and staff, department, and institutional setting, college setting, and and teacher directory, teachers profile, and these kind of things. So I click on faculty and staff. When I click here you can see here is the detail: Department of Civil Engineering, too many professors, and Department of Building, Environment and Energy Engineering, and Department of. So I click on any of the professors details. So after that you can see the profile of that professor, and you just pick the email and send email to that professor. So here you can see here is the detail of that professor, which I click here. Here's the email. You have to find, copy this email and send it to professors. So you need to send email to 5 to 6 professors in a day, and wait for 2 to 3 days, and if professor not replied, so then try to send emails to other professors. So this one is the first method, and you can see if I want to get the professor's information of School of Architecture, so you have to click on School of Architecture, and you can get the desired result, and you can get the professors of School of Architecture department. So now speed is a little bit slow, so that's why you no need to worry about that. So this is the method. You have to find the professors with that method. Follow these methods. So just I think speed is a little bit slow, so that's why it's not opening. So you can find the same like School of Civil Engineering. I have to click, so a little bit. No, it's open. So you have to wait a little bit, because we are living in a village, so in our village internet is a little bit slow, and that's why we are just facing this issue. So in future hope so, inshallah it will be fine. So no, speed again. So no, it's opening. So no, you have to find the people like my PhD supervisor, master supervisor, all faculty, and here is no option of faculty, so you have to click on all faculty or master supervisor. I click on all faculty. Here's professor's detail, HOU, and these kind of. I click on this professor, and you can see here is the detail. Here's the detail of that professor. Sometimes professors the details are given, but they not show their email due to some reason, because many students send email to these professors, so that's why it's not in their profiles email is not mentioned. So again, one by one I click. Maybe someone detail is given, no, they not public their emails. So you have to go back, and there is no other option to find this. So I want to click this option in Chengan. If sometimes faculty of that department is not found, then you have to click on Chinese version of School of Architecture Chinese version. So I click on that because in Chinese version sometimes details is provided. So I click on School of Architecture Chinese version. When sometimes it happens here, it's shown here. So no, this is the School of Architecture department, but this is in Chinese version. Okay, I need to click on translate, but I suggest you have to find this professor with Google Chrome. Use Google Chrome. So it's not working, so due to speed limitation. No, you can find institutional setting. I want to click on this institutional setting option, and after that we try to find the professors of that department. I click on in institutional setting. So sometimes it's shown in their website, shown on their website, but sometimes it's not. So I need to find another option, because in institutional setting there is no professor's emails. So and we have to click on this option. Okay, sometimes professor, again I said, you have not you cannot find the professors on their website, because some professors not public their emails. So and I click on another option, colleges, maybe something given. Okay, here is also option, some available some options. So no, again here is maybe something here, no detail provided. So we have to go back, because sometimes in Chinese version it's not provided. Okay, and in English version detail is provided, but even email is not given. So we have to go back. Okay, now you can find the professors same like that, because sometime again I mentioned sometimes the professor details is not given on their website. So now I click on another university, China University of Mining and Technology. So I want to open this link, the China University of Mining and Technology. Maybe internet issue again. So now it's open, China University of Mining and Technology. I click on college setting, because in college setting everything is available. So now you can see here is the detail of college setting. So I want to click on School of Chemistry and Environmental Engineering. When I click here, you can see the colleges. Here open faculty, click on faculty. Institutional setting is also available here, but I click on faculty. So you open both these categories. Sometimes it's available in institutional setting, sometimes in faculty. So I click on faculty, and you can see here is the department of mineral processing. Here is the professors for this, and Department of Chemical Engineering. Here is the professors. So I click on any of the professors link. So I want to click on this option. So a little bit speed problem again. So click on this option, Zhang Jibun professor. So when I click here, you can see here is the professor's detail, and sometimes email is given in the bottom. Here is the email. So sometimes on the top you have to find this email on this whole page. So now I go back. So now I hope you can find you can get the point which I want to say. So after clicking on that link, you go to the direct university department. Okay, and now the second method is click on this option, Chinese professors emails. You can see, click on this option, and here is the university department wise link. So I want to click on Fudan University. I want to when we click here, you can see here is the department emails. On this option, here is list of universities with faculty link. You can see, and you can find also from 40 food science universities, 36 department wise list here. We update, inshallah. We will update in coming days. So you have to visit and keep visiting csguideofficial.com. Here is the computer science faculty emails of 77, and food science and economics in that way. So now the point is 1 to 100. Here is 1 to 100 universities link. Okay, but in case in here on this page you can see university wise department link. When I click for Fudan University, you can see here is the department of Fudan University available in this category, in this university, sorry. So I want to click on department of chemistry in Fudan University. When you click here, you can get sorry, you can get the emails, and you can direct go to sorry, you can go to direct on to that department. Okay, you can direct go to that department, click on this on that professor's profile and professor's name, and you can get the email desired. So here is the email. So it's very easy, it's very easy. We will updating day by day, inshallah. We will update very soon all these universities. So here is the universities: Guangxi University, East China University. So now I want to click on another department of that university. So I want to click on public health. So when I click here, I go to the direct department professor's email on that university. So you can see the professors. So just on one click you can get the professors emails of that university. So because it's very lengthy process, which I already told you. Here is the on clicking university link. So it's very easy. This one is very easy to find the professors, and just one click you can get the professor's email right now. So now hope so you will get the result. And now the third and the most lengthy message to find the professors is you have to first click on this option, CSE updated universities. First you target the university that you want to find the professor's email. So you think that you want to find BUCT professor's email. So copy this. If you not want to get the information here from here, then you can use this option as well. But this one is lengthy process. The process and the detail which we provide on our website CSE Guide official is very easy for you. So now I click on Beijing Institute of Technology. I click on search Beijing University of Chemical Technology, and I want to open this website. So here is the website. Okay, Beijing University of Chemical Technology. If you not find university website here, then click on this option. Now here is the detail. So now you if you want to translate this into English, then you can, but when you translate it into English, sometimes professor's emails are not shown. So that's why I use Chinese version. So I want to translate it. Right click and translate it. You need to find colleges, faculty, institutional setting, college setting, and these kind of things. So here is the college option. When I click on colleges, you can see the detail of different college. So School of Chemical Engineering, School of Material Science Engineering, and click here, enter the college website. When you click here, you get into this website. So I click on this website, enter to the college. Here is the Material Science College. So when I click here, you can see the department of that option. Okay, so you can get the point here. So now I want to find professors' emails of that university, of that department. So here is where is the option faculty, school profile, and click on faculty. Sometimes you need to click on school faculty and school teacher profile, teacher directory, and these kind of things. Sometimes detail are not provided. As I click on teacher profile, so there is no option on teacher profile or outstanding talent. I want to find here is. And here's the professors' emails. Okay, these are the professors, distinguished professors, and these kind of thing. And we need to click on invest faculty. Okay, different faculties professors are here, so you need to send email to that professor. So if I want to open this in English, sometimes English links are not working because due to because Chinese links. So that's why you need to open this in Chinese version. So here's the professor. A lot of professors are here, so you need to find and you need to send emails to these professors. So now you think that you want to find another university professor by using this method. So I want to click on here is the Delhi University of Technology or Delhi Maritime University. So I copy this and paste it into email. This one is the third one and last method for this. So I click on this website. After that you have to find three options. Again I said faculty, school profile, colleges setting, institutional setting, and these kind of. So faculty, here is the faculty. First we click on faculty because in faculty sometimes you cannot find the professor's email. So no, I translate it. Okay, translator option is not here, so I click on this option. When sometimes if it's not working, then you have to refresh this, okay, and find the professor's email. Okay, refresh it. So it's why it's not yes, if it's not translated, then close this and change it to English. Now we can click on school profile, because in school profile sometimes institutional setting is available. It's already says you in the beginning. So again it's not translated, so here is, you can see this option, institutional setting. Here is the institutional setting. You can see the institutional setting here. Okay, now Natural Institute, Marine Engineering College, School of Marine Electrical Engineering, and all these kind of professors, departments. I click on School of Transportation Engineering. I want to click on this option, and you can see here is the Department of Transportation Engineering College school profile. Now I click on faculty, because after opening school website, you need to click on faculty. So here is the faculty teacher profile. I want to click on teacher profile. Maybe some teacher profiles are provided here, so I click on faculty. See, after clicking on faculty, you can click on you need to click on teacher profile. If detail is not provided here, you need to click on faculty. Here is the faculty of that university, so I click on this option. Okay, here is the professor detail. Maybe email is given in the bottom, so here is the email. Sorry, these are the two emails you need to send. If you want to send emails to both these emails, then you can do that. So hope so you can get the point. You need to find you need to click on school profile, college setting, institutional setting, and these kind of things. Okay, but the simple way and the easiest ways to find these professors is visit CSE Guide official and Chinese professors emails, and Guangzhou University, Fudan University, CCU, Donghua University, and Delhi Maritime University, Communication University of China, and these Chongqing Normal University, and these things, these universities, all these universities are available. Just click on one. I want to just click on one option and one link. You can get your desired faculty of that university. So I click on again Darwin Polytechnical University. I click on Department of Management, School of Management. When I click on School of Management, you can see that the professors are professor detail of that university. You can get the direct professor's email on just clicking on one. Just click on one link. So here's the professor detail, and maybe even email given in the bottom, and maybe on side. So sometimes professor's email is not provided on their website. Okay, so I want to click on another professor's email. Here's another professor's email. Maybe it's given. Here is the email. Okay, that's the point, and these are the research direction, which is very important according to your profile, according to your professor's profile. And if you want to add these research direction in your CV, you can add. So good luck. Hope so you can easily find professors for CSE Chinese Government Scholarship for acceptance letter. Good luck, and take care of yourselves. If you have any question, if you have any question in your mind, then leave a comment. Inshallah, we will reply you as soon as possible. Good luck, and take care of yourself.